Yeah, we thank God for everything, and we are very grateful the way the program went. It's indeed a success story that the Lagos State government has given up to 4,592 people a new life, a skills that is already impacted in them and that will be useful to them anywhere they go to. And my advice for the students is that they should ensure they make use of this opportunity given to them and they should upgrade themselves on it. They should ensure that they become an employment of labor and also empower to empower. Because this opportunity given to you guys is something you can get easy. So we thank the Executive Governor of Lagos State for believing in the Ministry of Women Affairs and Poverty Alleviation for always supporting this program. And we also thank the Honorable Commissioner for Women Affairs for ensuring that this program is laudable every year, for ensuring that this program keeps encouraging the youth, the women, and the elderly. Thank you, Commissioner, for all this, and we say a very good thank you as the SSA to the Governor of Grassroots Empowerment.